The check-in call. Why this works. When contact is rare or random, kids often interpret this in a very negative way, and it really affects them. They start to think, Dad doesn't care anymore. He's moving on without us. Dad's new girlfriend is preventing him from spending time with us. The check-in call is a strategy that proves you're still present without causing any problems or putting more pressure on yourself, or more importantly, your kid. Studies on optimal contact regularity reveal that short, pre-planned, predictable contact maintains stronger relationship connections, more effective than random long phone calls. Why? Because a short 5-minute call isn't emotionally exhausting, and at the same time, it builds a predictable routine, which is essential. It's all about being consistent over time. A 5-minute check-in call once a week is much better than a 40-minute call once a month because the brain recognizes routine, and routine requires repetition, not pressure or emotional intensity. How you apply it. I want you to choose 2 repeating days and times that you'll stick to for the next 3 months. For example, Monday after school at 6 p.m. and Saturday at 1 p.m. before they go out to meet their friends. Send a gentle reminder the day before your pre-planned phone call. Example, Hi son, hope all is well. Just a little reminder, I'll be calling you tomorrow at 1 p.m. I look forward to catching up. Have a good day, and we'll speak tomorrow.